The IPL hearing has begun. The Supreme Court has questioned N. Srinivasan, saying that the IPL is a mutually beneficial society between the IPL and the BCCI, adding that conflict of interest is a very serious issue. This is the scathing observation coming in from the apex court of the country, which is questioning N. Srinivasan, saying that the IPL is a mutually beneficial society between the IPL and the BCCI, and also saying that conflict of interest is a serious issue. The apex court has also said that the glory of the game must be upheld.
Absolutely, and that's the point over here. Uphold the glory of the game, and that's what's not been upheld so far in this mess that we've seen the BCCI dragged into. On the phone line with me is Meenakshi Bhanja. Meenakshi, take us through what happened. It has been a scathing observation that the court has made against the BCCI.
Well, even as we're speaking, the hearing is underway. Essentially what has prompted the court to come out with such observations is when BCCI's counsel was trying to emphasize before the Supreme Court that BCCI will take in-house action against all those people who have been found guilty by the Mudgal Committee. Supreme Court for now clearly not convinced by such averments which are being presented by BCCI. And in turn, the Supreme Court has gone on to add several terse observations. One, the Supreme Court has questioned BCCI's conflict of interest. Essentially, the court has remarked very categorically that this is like a religion followed by people who have no stakes, and BCCI people who are financially viable eventually go on to become team owners. And how can such a thing not tantamount to a conflict of interest? Second thing which the Supreme Court is trying to reiterate upon is the doctrine of public trust. Supreme Court clearly questioning the BCCI Council and asking as to how can the public trust be reaffirmed by such an entity as the BCCI if it is given investigation. It is a question. People who are running the top management positions in BCCI have come under the scanner themselves. How can the public really trust for the BCCI to take cogent legal action against those who have been indicted by the Mudgal Committee? Essentially, what we are seeing right now is Supreme Court express its concern about the way forward, about the consequences now that the findings of the Mudgal Committee have come out. How can this matter be taken towards its logical conclusion? Seeing BCCI make a pitched effort, and also several representing Srinivasan telling the Supreme Court as to how the Mudgal Committee really does not say anything which is against Mr. Srinivasan, because the Mudgal Committee says that he did not cut investigations, that he is not involved in match fixing or betting. But at the same time, the court clearly not convinced by any of these arguments and subjecting the BCCI to several cross questions, and at the same time, making some stringent observations about the game of and how it has suffered the consequences of such stains being associated with the game. Supreme Court clearly stating that it is the conscience of the common man which has been shaken, and it is the common man which has given the game of cricket its unique stature, because of which it is got a cult-like following in the country, and it is being followed by people who have absolutely no financial stakes in the matter. On the other hand, the game is being managed by people in the BCCI.